My name is Dante Bacani. I'm originally from Ohio. After I graduated high school, moved to Chicago for college, stayed there for the next 30-some years, and then moved out here to Los Angeles about 8 years ago. If I was to advise anyone out there who hasn't had a stroke yet, avoid it at all costs. They are not what they're cracked up to be. If a piece of plaque in one of my arteries got loose and caused a blockage, blood flow in one of my arteries going to the brain got constricted, and the damage occurred such that, I lost my functionality on the left side. Recovering from this stroke has been the biggest challenge of my life, no question. From the beginning, I had to learn how to breathe again, swallow, how to speak, sitting up, walking, and over time, learning how to bathe, dress myself. It's almost like a lot of the second nature stuff got taken out of the library, so I had to recover those. Having gone through the NCHPAD Connect programs, and especially having lost the weight I've lost, it's improved my heart health, my overall functionality, mobility. I had never heard of a service like this. You have this free membership that gives you access to mental health professionals, nutritionists, personal trainers. I'm someone who does well having that sort of external accountability. The sort of most obvious way that I do anything with mindfulness on a daily basis is trying to relax at the very beginning of the morning before I take my blood pressure. So if you take your mindfulness lessons and apply them to the other aspects of your recovery, you'll get the most out of all of them. One of the goals to my recovery ultimately is to be able to get back to playing guitar or piano, which will mean getting my left arm working in a way that I can do that again. It is a lifestyle. It really does teach you to rethink your relationship to food, how active you are, and the benefits of leading a healthier lifestyle. Well, for me, one of the things that it helps keep my mindset positive, the resilience that I bring towards this whole recovery, is the goals that I have down the road. I certainly want to live on my own again. I want to get back to work, want to have a dog again, those kinds of things I won't be able to do without recovering further. And knowing that I need to do those, it's kind of like a carrot dangling in front of my head that I'm chasing. There's this background belief, and I don't mean even a spiritual belief, but a personal belief that, you can get better. Recovery is possible. You just have to do the work.
Interested in joining NCHPAD Connect or learning about our free programs and resources? Explore how NCHPAD can support your health and wellness at ncpadconnect.org.